Hi everyone, welcome to the new video on my channel. Okay, so in this video I'll just be going through this trade here. Yes, this one. Okay, so this was Eurocad. I shared it on the mentorship group. If I do find the MT4 the MT5 screenshot, I'll also put it in, but I've been looking for it. Okay, so I'll just be going through this video, but the main focus of this video, right, is to show how you can take a trade against the overall trend, right? So how to trade against an overall trend, because as I've said previously, this is how the price moves, right? Then the price, it will switch bullish again, internal structure. Then after the block of structure, expect the price to reverse, right? But after some point, expect the price to and continue, right? Now, in this video, we'll be going through on how you can actually take, let me just put this to here, on how you can actually trade against the overall trend. Like for example, here, the overall trend is what? Is bullish. There's no question about it, right? It depends on which time frames you use, right? But here, the overall trend is what is bullish, but you may not need to take a trade and be holding all the way, right? You can, but this one, it just mean it depends on you. You can take a trade here, exit somewhere there, take a trade here, exit somewhere here, take a trade here, exit somewhere here. You see, you take it, you trade the whole thing up, down, you trade the whole thing. You're not just holding it by, right? Because yeah, this one may wait forever. So I'll be showing on how you can actually take these, because this pullback, you find that at times they're like 300 pips, 200 pips, 250, 250. Like that's a lot, right? So you may not need to be holding the whole thing until they're on top. But on this video, I'll not be going through like all the small details, right? I'll not be explaining much. So if you want to know everything, you can just go and watch the previous videos if you have not watched them. Right. Okay. So before we continue, if you're new into this channel, you may kindly subscribe. Just get this channel to 5K. I think at 5K I'll be doing giveaway. Did I show this? Yeah, I think I did. I'll just be doing a giveaway at 5K. Can also give this video a thumbs up. And leave your comment below. Right. If you have any question or anything that you have learned, you can just leave it below. Okay, so we started from here. With here, this area of supply, which yeah, it's like it's one solid area, right? Then let's just do a quick one. As I've said, I'll not be going through everything. Block of structure, after the block of structure, what to expect a pullback. Right, so this was our block of structure. This was our block of structure. And this was our block of structure. But as we are looking at the price here, right, to be looking at it from there. Okay, let's just do this quickly. Right. So already we are like, okay, we're aware that the trend is what is bullish. This is the first thing. Secondly, the price just broke structure. What do you expect after the block of structure? A pullback, right? How do you know that the price is about to pull back? Firstly, we have to get into an area. Second, the price is to switch bearish in this case. But if it was inverse of this, the price will have to switch bullish, right? So how do you know that the price is now about to is when the internal structure switches bearish in this case. Right. Okay, so this trade that we are going through is this one here. Let me just show quickly this. Right. Yeah, this is the trade. I think I shared it on the mentorship group also. Let's just see. Yeah, so this is the mentorship group where I shared the setup. Right. Just so the moment the price got there, right? The moment the price got there, that's where we'll be looking for entries. Right. I took the entry, but I exited a bit earlier because I took it on Friday. But this was the setup. This is 1 hour and 15 minutes. I sent it on the mentorship group. Right. Let's come back here and continue. Now that we're done on the 4 hour, like on 4 hour, the next thing we need to go do is to go to a lower time frame. Right. So the moment the price gets into this area, the first thing that we're looking for is the reaction of the price. What reaction are we looking for? The price to switch bearish. Of course, the price may not give this exactly. Sometimes the price may stay there for long, right? But I think I spoke about on the last video that I posted, I spoke about how to actually not lose, because at times you can get a right entry and lose, right? If you've been around in Forex, you know this one, right? You get a right entry and lose. That's where most people they're having challenges, because and some they just exit, then the price reverses. If you look at this is a very strong bullish move. So someone might say, I know definitely we're going up, and they'll be looking for buys here and all that, while the other person maybe they sold here coming downside. And when the price does this, they have exited, then the price come downside, you see. So yeah, this, if you have been around, you know very well that at times you get the right setup, but not the right entry, right? So you need to be aware of these things that sharing here. Okay, so what do we have here with this here? Okay, just take it all the way there. Finally, we have what the block of structure. Let's take this here. Right. So this is what we have. I'm not going through this. So this is what now we're looking at the price internally. Right. The external is what is bullish. Right. So if you are like a swing trader, you are just holding, you're not be minding the whole pullback, which is personally is a no. Right. But whatever that works for you, right? Block of structure, chain of character. The price took out this low, the low that created this high. So the low it was taken out. So what was that? There's a change of character, right? Let's label it change of character, block of structure. Right. So after the after the chain of character, what you expect a pullback. Now we're looking for entries now. So you'll mark your point of interest. Okay, definitely this one. If you look at the price here, right? So this one is going to be number one. Of course, they're on top, definitely. I always have these ones. At the beginning, I didn't pay much attention on these ones, right? But I found out that the price at times it will just do this tap and go. So like, okay, when I'm marking my point of interest, I'll also mark it, right? And we had also something here adding to our confluences adjustment here. I spoke about this on the previous video. This I used to, yeah, also it's one of the things that I didn't pay much attention to. But when I like wait, it's like the price keeps on doing this, right? So what the price will do is you'll have something of this kind, right? You see, so probably have something of this kind. Now remember that this is what the chain of character. So after chain of character, you expect a pullback. So it was very easy one to enter here, But look at the price of the price did. After this drop, the price came to take out all these cells here. The people they saw here took them out and go to that direction. Right. This you can go and back test it. You will see a lot of it. Right. Before I try to trace something, I need to see it a lot. So that what happened here. Especially the moment the price took out this one, I'm like, okay, from there we'll see a sell. I remember even it was Friday when this set up. Actually marked the whole era, but yeah, I was a bit skeptical because the error was a bit big now. Right. 11.8 stop loss. Right. Then you look at areas where you think the price could reverse. Definitely this one here. Secondly, definitely this one here. Which is, if you look at the analysis that I posted, I actually pointed it exactly on this here. That's where the price reversed. Right. Then but this one already, if you look at the price here, came to tap it. You see, but this one missed it. So this is part of what this is here. Investment. Right. So the price will just come just below that point and be going into the opposite direction. Yeah, this one is upset. You can go and practice it. You see it a lot. But yeah, anyway, personally, I took it until here. Yeah, this setup, I actually spotted it very late. Not really late, because what I do is I monitor the whole thing, but this one I just saw it when the price was here. I don't know for what reasons. So yeah, I didn't pay much attention into it. I think I took it until somewhere here, but this is where I was going to take it. Right now, let's just do a quick trade management. Right, so if you wanted to take other entries, what do you have there? Break of structure. There's a break of structure. What do you expect? Expect a pullback. Right, so the point of interest here was going to be this one, but the price didn't go all the way there. Is fine. But if you look at it again, the price came to take out all these positions here. Right, so if you took entries here, they were taken out. So the price just came to take them out. Okay, this one missed it, but these two, price took them out same time. Then the price went into the direction, the initial direction again. Right. So block of structure, after the block of structure, to expect a pullback. Right, so this is the pullback. Again, block of structure. This is a block of structure to expect a pullback. Now if you look at this again, we have this here, this point. Right. Okay, I'm trying to be very quick now. Right, so at this point, then we have this point of interest here. And the price just came to tape it and move. So if you took an entry here, we're taking out same time. But yeah, probably this it did pay. So definitely if you took an entry here, you're supposed to either a break even, a small win, or you took your position out here. But for you to take a position here, the price goes with you and go back, it's a no-no. right? So yes, so with this, right, you one of the reason why I like trading this way is you pay attention to small details, right? You are able to analyze, to explain all the details. You're not just doing a lazy man's work to just be saying that the price is going to the direction. Like you are very much involved. I like to be very much involved in what I'm doing. So I'm very much involved that okay, this is what the price is doing, this is what I should do, and all that, right? So this is it. Okay, so this is, let me just pass through here very quickly. So this is the course that I offer, right? So all this here, I've added some, I think I'll make some few changes there. There are few things that I've added on this, right? One of them is a playbook. Very important to have a playbook. Very actually, this setup is part of the setup that we're doing. It's part of my playbook. Okay, so this we're currently on discount until the end of the month. So all the plans. So I now currently have 4 plans, right? Plan 1, 2, plan 4. So yeah, if you are interested, right? Okay, so this is it. If you have any question, leave your question below, comment, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, ask your questions. Let's talk. If you have anything you'd like me to more share, probably can just leave the comment also below. Let's meet on the next video.